Hi guys, my name is Swara and today we are going to see. So I know that everybody will be having doubt in the subject of round off. Okay, subject of round off. So now today I'm taking the round off only. So today we are going to learn is what round off. We are going to learn. What is happening? What we are going to learn today? Round off. Okay, round off. So now I know that I was touching on that notebook, but on the tab of the notebook, but something problem came, so I installed it, and now I'm taking it. Okay. Now let's learn what is a round of. No, round off means round off means to the nearest. You can say to the nearest. Like I said, you number 9, 2, 3, 4. Which why this is not typing nicely? Sorry, excuse okay. Mosquitoes are here. So, okay. So let me choose a marker. Now see, I given you number 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And here are commas. Now first of all, to round off, there's a main thing. Okay, if I say to round off these, like we learned from the basic is place value, face value of a number. Face value means the number itself, place value means the value. So this value, this is on the ones, this is on the tens, this is on the hundreds, this is on the thousand, this is on the 10,000, this is on the lakh, this is on the 10 lakh. This values we have. So these values we know now. Now you see. How shall I round off? Now there is a question asked. It would be round nearest to. It could be 10, 100, or the thousand, okay, or 1,000, okay. We can drop it anywhere, but let's from the basic only 3 only 3 we will learn for what. So now this seems so carefully that how to round off means to do 0. 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, let me write that number. 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so this is our number. Wait a minute, let me erase it so I can clear your doubt and then more space. So number was 2, 7, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, yes, this was number. If any mistake is happened, please you remember it or tell me. Yes. Okay, you say that mistake is happening. 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, 4, 5. Here or here. Now, how to write this number round of nearest? I will tell you all the methods. First of all, let's do nearest 10. Nearest 10. Nearest 10. I am saying what will be my answer if I done a nearest 10? No, a nearest 10 if you say. So it means not multiplied or divide or added or subtracted. Repeat. It doesn't means for everybody will have doubt that this what we do is addition or minus or plus minus into or division. In this method we can do it. No, children, that will be wrong. So what is the correct method then? Please values read 8 ones, 6 tens, 5 hundreds, 4,000, 10,000. This is on lakh. This is on 10 lakh. Okay, these are the values of number now. Now see the carefully exceeding tens. So now I will write this number over here in this side. 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, can you tell me the value? 5, 6. So I said 6. So it's which is on tens plus 6 is on the tens plus. So I will know it's 6. Then what I said in tens and hundreds and in thousands we are going to do it, and each will backer number will continue 0. Backer number will continue 0. So now in this you see 273 273 568. Okay, now over here you see. Okay, over here you see. Beta. Over here you see. Over here you see. This number 2734568. Okay, has to combine in 10. So it means this is the tens value we know. So this is 6 in the tens value. So what I will do is surely write it 60. But not. Okay. Now you have your fingers. Yes. 5 fingers. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 is coming for the 10 fingers. Yes. Because we are counting 0. Yes. So okay, so if in the left hand came minus, if in the right hand came added to it. So what we are going to do is, if we are gonna compare it to 5, we are going to compare it with 5. Okay, now how to compare it with 5, children? So now I will say 5, and over here is 4. So if 5 is greater, okay, this is greater number, what I will do is 4. What I will do is write that in same number. Write that same number. Okay, write that same number it is. But if over here, and the symbol comes over here, the marks over here. So I will just give 1 to the other side in the tens or hundreds or thousands. It's what in the rounding of we are doing. Just what we start with is the next number beside. Next of number beside. Okay, and we go this way now. We don't count this one, but we count the backer ones. Yes, now. Then now this was okay. So now how to round off? How to round off this number, children? So now in the number 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what I will do with this number is try to compare, and okay, it's tens value is this one. So and the ones value and the hundreds value. So I can take only nearest one. So I will do 5 or 8. So I will take less number. Okay, I want a less number. So I can take it 5. But it has the 100 value. It has the 100 value, children. So it will be 5 into the by 100, and we say 560, and 6 into the by 10 equals to 60, and 8 into the by 1 equals to 8. We know that. So I can choose 8. 8 is also smaller than 6 because here 6 represents on the tens and over here is represent only 1. So I can use that one. So now what I will use is 8 I choose. Now I will try to compare 8 and 5. If you try to compare with which number I am getting bigger? The 8. Then what I said? I will give 1. I will give 1. To which number? Not this number I will give. Not this number. This will turn into 0. I will give to the next number. I will give to the next number. Which it's doing in nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest 1000. So it was in near distance. I will give it to 6. So what will be the number then? My number will be, instead of 6, there will be 7, and instead of 8, there will be a 0. So my value will be 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 7, 0. This is my number. Okay, now let's take another example if you haven't understand of nearest tens only. Now let's take a small example, then let's go for the bigger. So let's take 73. How to do this, you ask? No. Okay, now see. 1's value, 10's value. You know this. They are 2-digit number. Wait a minute. Now let me increase the size. Yes. This much, okay? Okay. So now you see over here. Wait a minute. Okay. Now, okay. Over here you see 2-digit number itself. So I will repeat. It's a 2-digit number. So now how to do it 2-digit number? Oh, sorry, why I am speaking naked. So it's 2-digit number. Okay? So what I will do is over here I will to do it nearest 10. I will not write that nearest. Okay. Nearest 10. So now 2-digit number, just 2-digit number. Now what I will do is write number 7. Sorry. Now what I will do is, this is tens I know, this is ones I know. Okay, this tens, this ones. So what I will take number 3. I will take the smaller number from it. Yes, it is 2 because the value shows. Okay. If I try to compare 3 and 5. 3 is smaller than what should I do? What should I do? This is the situation now, children. What I will do is just keep the 7 as it is. If it is less than 5, it is less than, if it is less or greater than 5, I will add 1 to the next to the given number, not which I am comparing with, but which I have to do in the value. And if it is smaller than 5, like over here, I will nothing. I will not do change and just write as it is and do the 3 into 0. So 70. Or over here, if I did it 80, it will be so far from 3. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 7 difference, 8 difference. And 73 only 3, 4 distance. It will be 3 distance because 70 plus 3. Okay. So now, I guess you got your answer. So 70. How it is 70? Because it's compared with 5, it is greater. So what I will do is add 1. And if it's smaller, I will do it same because I don't want to take it more, less or more. Same I will take and keep it 0 at last. Okay, so this you understood. Okay. So what I would do was compare with 5, compare 5, 73, no? Yes, 73 to the nearest tens, to the nearest tens. Okay, so now what will be answer is this 70. Another sum, let's take 45. You know how to do this 45, children? See the question carefully. 45. Now which is the ones place? This is the ones place. Which is the tens place? This is the tens place. Now I have to compare 4, not 4 I have to compare with 5. So what I will do is, here the answer, okay? I will write 5 and compare it with 5. Hey, but here two numbers, both the numbers are same. So the equation, what will be Misam's answer in this box? It will be equal. Then notice. Then how shall I do? Then how shall I do it? This is your question asked, okay? No, you like, I wish that I was like them, so I know the rounding off. No, children, you will learn. There are other children who think they will learn. Everybody. But I was also thinking, no one learned, you will also learn. Right? Step and step. Now, got that. Right. See now, this is same. It doesn't mean the value can't be taken out. It means it can take out too. See, what I will do is, tens ones group out there. They compare with 5 equals coming. But in which hand the 5 is coming? In the right hand, you see. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 not, okay. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are coming in this hand. They are only making. Take your hand and count it 0 from your baby finger, okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming to the thumb finger now. Now another we start with thumb finger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Coming also. So now you understood that this belong to the left of the hand. If they came, so what we will do is, we will keep the same. If they didn't came or came 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I will add 1. So 5 is gained 5, 5. So what I will do is, I will give here 1. So it will be 50. So you can round off 5 to the nearest 10. Okay. Now, so what's my answer to the 45? It is not 4 yet, or not 5. I will do the 5 0 and 4 as 5. So it will be 50. And you can round off 5 to the nearest of 10. 10. What 10? You will round off. Yes, you have to learn it. This is your question. Okay. See your question. Where will be 10 rounded off? 11 or 1. It's your guess. So now everybody will say it could be 9, 11. No children. First of all, compare. So this you have to compare with 5. It's smaller than 1. It's already 0. So means, then find idea. Because I can't do it. No, I can do it. But I will say to you that I'm not worthy for it. You have to fight. I just explained you how you can do it, but you have to take out the answer. Take out the answer is your fault. Now, let's take off 3 digit 5, 4, 6. Okay, where it should be rounded off. Now, this number, this number value you see 5, 4, 6. First of all, write the value. Ones, tens, hundreds. These are the values. We take that number in the same part. Okay. What I will do now? First of all, I will draw one box over here. You can see now. Yes. So what I am now doing is, see what 5. I said nearest 10. So this is the value of 10. So 5, 4 is 6. This number value is 4 in the tens value. If I compared 5 and 6, 6 is greater. So what I will do is add 1 to the 4. 4 plus 1 gives me 4 plus 1 gives me 5. Yes, so what will be my answer? 5, 5, 0. Nothing change, no change at all. In the hundreds place, there will be no change. Why? In the hundreds place, not see. Look carefully. This is the hundreds place. Why the hundreds place? It's coming before it. It has the biggest power for it, but you can only get rid of the smaller power, not from a huge power. Okay. Now, what will be my answer? It will be 5, 5, 0. Now, if you take any example, now I guess you can do it till the and then find the turn. I can't help it. Now, let's do it in 100. Okay, so now let's go. 5, 6, 2. Now, like in the tens, what we depended on was 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, what we will depend on is 6. Why 6? Now, see the place values. See this, see this, see this place values. Then, when you know, over here is your answer getting ready. 2 is on one's place, tens, hundreds. The tens will say, no, I won't. But he has to do because these are too far for. So I will take the close number this. Like it or what is. So I will take this one. 100. So I will compare it with 10. So now 6. Let's compare it with 5. It's greater. Then what I do is add 1. So what will be my answer for 5 plus 1? That gives me 6. My answer needs to be calculated is my answer must be calculated is 600. You will say how 600 it may be calculated. You see in the first sum. In the first sum I was doing in the nearest 10, but now I am doing in the nearest 100. See, first I recorded this. Second I added 1. Then if I added 5 plus 1, that gives me 6 in the hundreds digit. Then 6 is given me. Then now I recorded the rounding of answer, it given me 600 because this was, I said other numbers will be 0. At this number will continue to be a 0. So what's my answer to this question? It's 562. It's 600. Now any sum now in the nearest thousand. Let's take 5, 4, 2, 6. Now this is a 5-digit number. This is the thousand place. Now what I will do is compare with 5. It's also 5. It's also 5. Both are equal. Now what I will do is I will write it same. 6 and 5 and do them all 0, 0, 0. Ended over. Okay, I did a great mistake. I only compared it with 5 and 5. I have to check with this. Now I was checking you. This is also correct answer because 4 is smaller only. So this is our answer for it. Now ready for your way. So who's the director? Means who will be giving the writing questions is me. And then you're going to get it. So my quiz says best of luck. Luck will be best. Give a good luck to it. So you must be lucky, yes? Don't give bad luck or be angry or be sad if you can lose in the quiz or your answers are incorrect. Mistakes, then only the well person. Or well person, but sometimes it's also mistake. Quiz coming on your screen. So I guess quiz is on your screen. Yes. So there the first question is 256295, and the first step you have to do before starting the test, okay, is to write your name and class. So I can see it that are the perfect class that will know more details. So your quiz challenge also can be accepted. Okay, so these are your, okay, and the subject is on rounding off, where the arrow mark is marked over here. Can you see it? Over here you have to write everything. Okay, parents may have stopped the video to write the answer. Please then and pause it and show them. Okay, so they must write their names compulsory. It's compulsory. Okay, write their names, write with their answers. The time starts now. Okay, you can pause the video. Time starts now. So pause, do it. So then I can explain you. Okay, do it. Okay, I guess you can. So now, want little fun, want little boring. What line? Okay then. So now over here I want here all the answers. We want to play chess. We want to play chess. Not now. Yes. Sorry. I'm so sorry that you are not going to see the questions. Because now I'm bored. Yes, I guess you will pause the video and solve your answers. Answers are coming on your screen. I've solved only 2 questions because there are hundreds and thousands. You can do this tens one. It's easy. Compare with 5. So 5. What we do is give one over there. Give it. Write the answer. Okay, and send it. Okay. If I will not give you in 10. One you can do in hundreds. Okay, one you can do in hundreds. So I can show you. Okay, hundreds or thousand you do it, not in tens. Tens will be easy for you. So in hundreds you did it. So 5, 9, 2, and hundreds. What will be the answer? Its answer will be 2, 5, 6, 3, 0, 0. Is your answer. Okay, so do it, write it, and when time I'm going to show you how to write this name right. Like my name is Swara, I'm writing Swara P chourpagar. What's your name? You write it. My class is 4th C. So, and write the school name also, so I can know which school you are. Okay, then students, bye bye for now. Meet you in the next video, in next class. So in next fun videos, in next doll videos, happy face for dolls and sad face for studies. Hey, studies is a fun thing you get to know. Now go on about adventures and find something interesting 1/2 hour. Now, I guess I am feeling sleepy. Gonna go. Bye. I guess if you want to rest, please take the rest. Okay, bye.